Hi, and welcome to Export Kit. In this example, we're going to take a look at the WordPress page template. This one is a little bit easier compared to the others. So be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for updates to new videos. Let's jump right in. With the page, it's a lot simpler, like I said. So you can see that we easily have a header here, and the only thing we're looking for is the page title. You could, in essence, add the date that it was published, but that's not really necessary for a page itself. Now, afterwards, immediately, what we have is a fix before the entries and a fix after the entries. So the entries themselves, again, for the page, it's very simple, is that you can see we have the entries, the loop, this individual entry, and we're only looking for the content. This, what we're doing is we're denoting the size of the content simply with a shape. We're not checking the height that you actually measure the shape. We're only really looking for the width. Now, how this will translate in the output, let's add the sample page to our menu so we can have a better preview. So we can see here with a sample page with a bit more information that what it did is it measured to the width of our actual shape, but now it will let us denote the content that we've rendered within WordPress itself. So you can see quick and easily we can control our page templates with Export Kit and WordPress.